Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surbi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of April. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. And if you want to get a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, you guys subscribe to my channel while I'm laying down your cards. Okay, Sagittarians. King of Swords. There are too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me take. Okay, what are the messages? Come on. Wow, beautiful. Sunrise. Okay. So, Sagittarians, you started with the King of Swords. What I am getting here is you are a person, or you are dealing with you are a person who is very outspoken. That is your nature also, Sagittarians. Very blunt, very direct, and they know how to. That's what I think it's all about. You know how to. You are keeping people at a distance. You know how to leave people who are not serving you, or are irritating you, or are creating some sort of a tension in your life, whatever it is. And that is, I think this is a your nature which you have adapted to. You have created this nature for you, I think. This is your energy of this is an energy, this is your energy of a person who has made this as their first nature now, because that is what they think serves them best. Okay, it serves them best. And you don't show your and you don't open up so easily to anyone, and at least for not for now, you're not opening up fully to anyone. You are a little sort of covered up, or not telling the entire thing to anyone. And that what I feel is that you have built this nature as for now, because of the fact, with the Eight of Swords, there has been something in your past which holds you back, which is like, which makes you very reluctant in moving forward in many things. There has been some sort of a trauma, some sort of a agony, or some sort of a bad experience which has totally left you in a situation that you feel that this is the best for you. You feel this is the best for you, and this is, it's a way to guard your heart basically. That's what I'm getting. You want to guard your emotions, you want to guard your feelings, and you don't want to, you are tied to that negative experience of yours, and you think this is going to serve you best. And this, that is the nature which you have taken up because of some bad experience. That's what I'm getting. I think with, we have the sun card. So what basically what I feel here is that uh, you are happy with this. That's what I'm getting. You are happy with this nature of yours. You are happy with the way things are, and it's okay for you. That's what I'm getting as for now. You, let me see how the reading progresses, and we'll see if there is anything else to it. But as for now, what I am feeling is this, this nature of yours, you feel happy in this situation, and you feel that yeah, you have guarded your heart, and nobody comes that much near you. You don't let anybody come so near you that they person, that person hurts you in any way, and you're happy that way. That's what I feel. Now over here with the high priestess and the judgment and with the four of swords, there is, you are not even taking any action. You just feel that your intuition says that this is the right approach, and this is the right way to be in, and you don't take much action in any way, in any relationship at least now. And I think it's a pretty long time that you are held up in this energy, and you feel happy in that. I don't know why I'm getting such a vibe. And here again also with the four of swords, you have totally surrendered to the situation in a way that you are praying, meditating, and you are like destiny has the role to play. Whatever is destined will, it will come on its own to me, or whatever will happen. Whatever is supposed to happen will happen in my life, and you won't do much in that regard. It's something like that which I'm getting, and it's been a pretty long time that you are not taking any decision, you are not moving forward, you are not doing any, not taking any action, and people are really waiting for you to come out of this mode perhaps. That's what I feel. It's been a pretty long time that you are being indecisive. You are just though you are listening to your intuition, but your intuition perhaps says that okay, this is the best way for me. If I am happy, it's fine. And it's been a pretty long time in that inaction mode, and people are waiting for some sort of a decision from you, some sort of an action from you, some sort of a movement from you. Somebody wants you to come out of this inactive energy. That's what I'm getting, or of not taking any decision sort of. And here it comes with the magician. I feel here now you perhaps you were waiting for some message to come in so that you are able to move forward or take a decision about something. Maybe it is, if it is if I take this here, and if I think there is something which is the cause of your happiness, if I, either it is that this is your energy which makes you feel happy, it can go this way. Otherwise there is something which makes you happy but you are not taking any decision regarding it. It can be that also. So because of some, yeah, it can be that because of this negative energy or a negative experience of your past, you keep people at bay. You keep people at a distance, and though you have something which really makes you happy, see, it can also be this also another story which I'm getting. There is something in which really makes you happy, but you are not doing anything, you're not advancing towards that happiness because of your past experience. Yeah, it can be this also. You, because of this past hurt or negative experience, you are not moving towards your happiness, and you are not taking any action. And it's been a pretty long time that people are waiting, that certain somebody is waiting for a decision. It's been a pretty long time, it's been many years, I think, that you are in this energy because of one negative experience of yours, or maybe many, whatever. This is one thing, and you are not moving ahead with your happiness. though you know what is your happiness, where your happiness lies, but you are not taking any action. But then with the magician and with the three of pentacles and with the page of wands, what I feel here is that maybe somebody, your friends or your family, whosoever it is, somebody here is advising you, or you are taking their help, and they help you to they give you this sort of an advice, and you feel okay, yeah, I should come out of this inaction mode. And maybe if there was some sort of an information, some sort of a message which you were waiting for, because of which you were not taking a decision, then maybe that time has come. You have got that missing piece of information, or that upsurge within you, that now you are ready to move forward. Okay, after a pretty long time, maybe some people have advised you, and now you are with the page of wands, you are ready to embark on a new journey. You are in a very flamboyant mood, you are very happy now, you really want to take that whatever this thing is forward, whatever this relationship is forward, if it is a relationship or the cause of happiness, now you are ready to move towards your happiness. Yeah, this is the I think story which may resonate with most of you. Okay, because here again we have the sun card. So again there is a happiness out here, and there here the king of spades out here is a magician in this card. It is all about skill, it is all about transformation. So basically you are transforming yourself, you are transforming yourself, and you are trying to move towards this happiness after a pretty long period of hibernation, I should say. Yeah, it was hibernation because it's taken a pretty long time to come out of this energy, because of this one event or many events, whatever it was, which had a major impact or influence in your life. And that is why you were not even moving towards your happiness and just not moving ahead. Time of decision has come, and now you are able to move forward. That's what I'm getting. With the five of thought, the path you were on seemed like the right one, but now you have run into a challenge. There is a better direction for you, and will make you much happier in the end. Just see. Changes are necessary so that you can get back on the track. Avoid negative people who are draining you or bring unwanted drama to your life. Just see. So basically you were in this energy, you were in this mode since many years, perhaps. It's been a pretty long time, maybe even many months or many years, whatever. And you thought it was making you happy, you thought it was the right thing to do. But then suddenly you heard people were not happy with that mode. There were people or somebody in the relationship who was waiting for this decision of yours, and then you realize that okay, maybe that somebody has advised you that okay, there is a better direction which will make you happy, with the sun card, with sun card again. And then you decided that changes are necessary, you will have to make a change in yourself, you will have to come out of it. And that is why with the magician you thought of coming out of it. And you are definitely avoiding the negative people who are draining your life. So this is the advice perhaps which people have given you, that okay, yeah, it is not necessary that to be in that energy only. If you feel somebody is damaging you, if you feel that somebody is negative to you, you can just keep them at a distance and move on with your life. And that is what you are doing right now. Slow down. Number 9 may be of some significance for you, and number 23. 2 and 3 is 5. So maybe number 5 and number 9 may be of some significance for you. Slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. I think that is what you were doing. You were waiting for something, perhaps, to make a right decision. You were waiting for some missing link, missing piece of information, or something which you felt till your intuition will guide you to move forward. You won't. And when your intuition told you to move forward, you did. So slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. So this is what I think you were doing till now. You were waiting for things to unfold, and now since they have unfolded, perhaps now you have decided to move ahead in your life. Take a chance on love. When we love, the lives are changed forever. So basically now you are advised to move forward in your life and take a chance on love. Yeah, that is what you are doing with the page of wands. You are transforming, you are able to understand that yeah, the divine is watching you, and whatever the turbulence may be there in the life, if you have the right person with you, you will be able to come out of whatever the negative situation is, and you will be able to have a happy life. So you are advised to take a chance on love. You don't have to stick to the past experience. You should realize that if you can't make a fresh start, and that's what you are doing. You are advised to take a chance on a new love. That's what the message is. Okay, Sagittarians, hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.